Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download Java for Minecraft on your PC. So first you need to go to a browser and then search for Java. And then click on the top link. And here you need to click on download Java. And here you also need to download Java SE Development Kit. If you don't have this option here, then you need to open a new browser and then search for Java SE Development Kit. And then click on the top link and then scroll down and click on Windows, and then you need to download x64 installer. So I recommend you first download the Java app, click on download Java, and then again click download, and here the download is started. So here in the file explorer and in the download section you can see that my app has been downloaded. Then all I need to do is double click on this app and a pop-up will appear. Here you need to click on install. So once it is downloaded, all you need to do is click on the other browser and then download Java SE Kit. Make sure that it is x64 installer. Click on the link here and it will start downloading. And here when I go to file explorer, I need to install this app that I have downloaded. I need to double click on it and then click on yes, and then I need to click on next, again click next, and it will take some time to download. Then click on close, and there you go, your Java has been downloaded on your PC. I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and I will see you in the next tutorial.